This is LRB, and I'm going to teach you how to plunge a toilet. First, you grab a plunger. Don't forget it. Stick it in this nice little toilet right here. See it? See it? Okay. Then you push it in. Just give it a wild push. Hard. And try not to fall. Oh. No, try not to fall like that, okay? Okay. Good. You shake it around. Set it down wherever you put it, okay? Okay? Got that? Then you flush it. You lift your arm up, and this is how you flush it. Lift your arm up. Don't forget it. There you go. And that's how you unclog the toilet. Yeah. Bye.